Hey everyone, Lee here from Grain Free Insights. I wanted to talk today about using avocado as a substitute for butter. I think a lot of you have probably heard of that before. I know I have, but I forgot about it. And I was recently reading an article. It was written by a Rita Weigel. It's published on December 17th, 2024 in the New York Post. I'll put a link to that in the show notes. In it, she interviews a Dr. David Sabgir. He's a cardiologist, and he says that replacing avocado for butter is a really powerful way to make some healthier choices in your meal. It's also kind of fun if you prefer not to eat butter and you'd like to use something healthier. So it reminded me that I need to start doing that more often. I don't know if you substitute avocado for butter. If you do, I'd love to hear about some of the ways that you use it. But in recipes, it's super easy. All you have to do is replace it one for one, equal exchange. So if you are using a tablespoon of butter, you use a tablespoon of mashed avocado. A cup of butter, a cup of mashed avocado. You also have to be prepared to welcome a little bit of green into the color of your food. Avocado's flavor is very mild, but it can give a slight green tint to whatever it is you're making. So just think of it as a reminder of your healthier choice. If you're not quite ready to do 100% avocado for butter, why not try half and half first? See if you like it, and if you do, then the next time, replace it all with avocado. Thank you for visiting Grain Free Insights. I hope to see you here soon. Take care.